You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dish, this type of Indian food. If you want to learn more names from Indian cuisine that are sometimes confusing, stay tuned until the end of the video. Many more coming up. Different pronunciations depending on the spelling and the region, the area. Badi is often pronounced in India as Badi, although the pronunciation also exists as Vadai. Vadai. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.